Zebra's vehicle computers can be powered by and be plugged into an AC wall outlet, or a DC supply connected to a material handling vehicle. An AC power supply is ideal when you want to install software, stage applications, or test various functionality on the vehicle computer. It can be used in a fixed location, for example at a packing station. If your vehicle is a new vehicle computer installation, you will need to buy a DC power cable. You can either choose a standard cable or a cable that includes the screen blanking feature, which means your vehicle computer will automatically turn on and off with the ignition or when the vehicle is in motion. If the material handling vehicle has a previous installation, an adapter power cable can reuse the DC power cables that are already installed. This can be used to replace a Zebra legacy vehicle computer or certain competitors' devices.